Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Pulit ka East Khasi Hills District menta ka no phaisngi ka santarik unai lor arhaja afusan Hadien bikila de bantala silot na kite kilai teli ki kali kentopia kawai ka kali saw Audi A4 kawai ka kali yong Mahindra Scorpio wat kawai ka kali yong Toyota Innova hakamat ka khardop jong ka sekretariat balayo ban Kurup hadu santali ki Suloi Habayo panyakran bat utrai jong kita ki kali ulo ong bakanie ka Jingbuh ikitiar yasiat Kalong komsi Bynta ban bu ia ka private security na ka Bynta jong namar ba ute utrai na ka Bynta ka imlang salang badha ka jo kapor udeiru unong yalam ka JMDC Habaya dei ber ka jingyo Kurup ikitiar yasiat ute utrai ulo ong bakat komki kendon an hatu ka don kanu ka hok ba ka sorkar kan khang ka Jingbuh ia ki private security wat la ka taru ki dei tang ki airgun
See, this is my vehicle, okay? And according to the rule of Meghalaya, I am also we are doing also a social work, and also I am the leader of GMDC, and we are doing a social work and everything. So, is there any right for the government, to say not to put a private security, okay? And also see, this is an all airgun. Is there a rule for the airgun, for the government of Meghalaya to seize the airgun? And that is my opinion only. We don't disturb the public, we don't disturb anyone only. And that is my own opinion only. Let the public decide only for that, and let the public opinion only for this.